Alright, so I'm back. So with that $10 one that I just posted, that was a $10 winner, and then that $5 one, I also bought a $2 ticket, and I wasn't even going to video it because $2 ones can be uninteresting, but I just started to scratch it, and it has 2 winners on it right there. So let's continue and see what else is there. It's Wizard of Oz. Alright, so 2 winners. Let's see what's under them. 2 and 4. Well, that's pretty good. So, I mean, overall, I spent $17 and got back 14. So I only, right? What did I say? Yeah. 14. So I only lost 3. But overall, I'm very up for the day. Well, thank you for watching. Have a great day.